In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs in Slack. Sending GIFs is a great way to add a bit of personality and fun to your messages, whether you're celebrating a win with your team or just lightening the mood in a busy channel. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find, choose, and send the perfect GIF step by step. First, open Slack and go to the conversation where you want to send your GIF. This could be a direct message with a colleague or a channel where your whole team hangs out. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the message box where you normally type your text. Inside or just next to that box, look for the small smiley face icon. This is the emoji picker, and it's also where you'll access GIFs. Click or tap that smiley face to open the menu. Once the emoji menu opens, you'll see different sections across the top. Look for the tab labeled GIFs. It might be grouped alongside emojis and other media options, depending on your version of Slack. Go ahead and select the GIFs tab. This switches the view from regular emojis to animated GIFs that you can browse and search. Now it's time to find the right GIF. You'll see a search bar where you can type in what you're looking for. Think of a word or phrase that matches the tone of your message, like celebrate, laughing, thanks, or facepalm. Type your search term, then wait a moment for Slack to show you a selection of matching GIFs. Scroll through the options until one feels right for the situation. When you find a GIF you like, simply click or tap on it. Slack will automatically place that GIF into your message box. At this point, you can send the GIF just by itself, or you can add some text above or below it. Adding a short message can help give context, especially in busy channels, so people understand why you're sharing that particular GIF. Take a second to check that everything looks good, then press enter or click the send button. Your GIF will appear in the conversation, ready for everyone to see. And that's all there is to it. By using the smiley face icon, switching to the GIFs tab, searching by keyword, and then adding any optional text, you can quickly send GIFs in Slack and make your messages more engaging and expressive.